Okay, let's go over homework 4.6, number 10. Right, so the formula is given right here. Right, then there's unknown k is sitting here. Right, so we basically want to find k, but in this case, actually, it's probably easier to find the e to the k as a whole. All right, so it says this after 20 days, so that will be t value, and worker producing 17 units, so that will be n value. So you can see that the n value 17 is equal to 30 times quantity 1 minus e to the kt. T is 20, so I'll probably write it as 20k. Right, so that's the equation that we need to solve first. Alright, so we want to isolate e to the k. So I'm going to divide through by 30 first. Alright, so maybe go down here. Alright, divide it through by 30. We get the 17 over 30 is equal to 1 minus e to the 20k. Alright. Then I'm gonna actually switch. I'm gonna move exponential function on this side and a 17 over 30 on the other side. So we add e to the 20k and subtract 17 over 30 from both sides. So you end up getting e to the 20k, right, is equal to 1 minus 17 over 30 is, so 30 minus 17 is 13, and the common denominator is 30, so we get that. Alright, then I'm going to solve for e to the k, so all I need to do is raise both sides to 1 over 20th power. Right, so you see that e to the 1 over 20th, 20 cancel out, so you just get e to the k is equal to 13 over 30, raise it to the 1 over 20th power. Alright, so what we have is we're going to plug this into the formula to get, the complete formula. So n can be found by 30 times quantity 1 minus, right? So e to the k is this guy right here. So I'll just put 13 over 30. Raise it to the 1 over 20, but you have to raise it to t as well, so it's going to be t over 20, right? And I'm going to probably put a square bracket so that I don't get confused here. All right, so this is a complete formula. All right, now how many days, so we are looking for t, should pass before this worker is producing 20 units per day. So n is going to be equal to 20, and we want to find the corresponding t value. So we set this equal to 25, right? Then as usual, so try to strip off everything so that the t is isolated. So first step would be, again, divide through by 30. And that will give us 1 minus 13 over 30. Raise it to the t over 20 is equal to, right, 25 over 30, right? So top and bottom are multiple of 5, so divide by 5, you get 5 on top. Right, divide 30 by 5, you get 6. Alright, so 5 over 6. Alright, then what we do is I'm going to actually move this guy over to the other side and 5, 6 to the left-hand side. So basically what we're going to do is add 13 over 30 to the t over 20 power, and then subtract 5/6. Right? So 1 minus 5/6 is 1 over 6 is equal to, and you have 13 over 30 raise it to the t over 20th power. Alright, then we can just take the natural log of both sides as usual, because we want to bring this guy down. So natural log of both sides. We have natural log of 1 over 6, right, is equal to natural log of 13 over 30 raise it to the t over 20. All right, and remember that one of the log property allows us to move this guy right in front of the log. So let's do that. So it's going to be t over 20 natural log of 13 over 30. All right, so we can isolate t by we're going to have to multiply through by 20 and also divide through by natural log of 13 over 30. Right? So t is going to be equal to, right, 20 times natural log of 1 over 6 over and the natural log of 13 over 30. Alright, of course I can't do this in my head, so I'm gonna borrow the calculator. Alright, so it's 20 times natural log of 1 over 6, then divided by natural log of 13 over 30. Right? Then hit enter. Right? This came out to be about 42.85, so it's going to round up to 42.9 days. Right? So you can see that it's 42.9 days, which is the right answer. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.